Today, we're diving into the DINSpace SNAP-12LC-MM compact fiber optic patch panel. This unit is designed for versatility, offering both DIN rail and surface mounting options. It's UL listed under 1863 for communication circuit accessories and carries the CE mark, ensuring compliance with European standards. What stands out immediately is its lifetime warranty on materials and workmanship, a testament to the manufacturer's confidence in its durability. Constructed from 18-gauge powder coat painted steel, the enclosure feels robust yet lightweight, weighing in at just 1.8 pounds. Its IP20 ingress protection rating makes it suitable for indoor use where protection against solid objects larger than 12 millimeters is required. The alloy steel material further enhances its durability, ensuring it withstands the rigors of daily use. Installation is straightforward, whether you opt for DIN rail mounting in industrial settings or surface mounting for more accessible applications. The compact design doesn't sacrifice functionality, accommodating up to 12 LC fiber optic connectors. This makes it ideal for small to medium-sized installations where space efficiency is crucial without compromising on performance. In terms of specifications, it meets UL and ULCE standards, assuring users of its safety and reliability in diverse environments. The sleek, powder-coated finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also adds a layer of protection against corrosion and wear. Overall, the DINSpace SNAP-12LC-MM compact fiber optic patch panel excels in combining durability, flexibility, and ease of installation. Whether you're setting up a new network or upgrading an existing one, this unit offers a compelling solution that ticks all the right boxes for reliability and performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.